Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on next is a New Orleans classic, the Vieux Carre. It is Vieux Carre in French means old square, so this is an ode to the French quarters, right? So first we're going to start off with a Kentucky straight rye, something that is over 100 proof, right? You want a little umph with it. So we're gonna go to we're gonna go with 3/4 of an ounce of rye whiskey. Same, we're gonna go with 3/4 of an ounce of a cognac of your choosing. Next, we're going to go with another 3/4 of an ounce of a Sweet Vermouth. Next, we're going to go with a 1/3 of an ounce of Benedictine. Just a 1/3, just a little smidgen. Next, because this is New Orleans, right, you got to have some New Orleans bitters, right? So we got some Peychaud bitters. We're going to go with 2 dashes of the Peychaud bitters. 2. And last, we'll go with just a dash of aromatic bitter. Just 1 dash. Next, I want to give this a good stir. Next, we want to strain it in our glass. We're going to go with something fancy, right? A little Nora glass. There you have it. A New Orleans Vieux Carre. Cheers. I like it. Kind of says Manhattan, but Southern Manhattan, as in the South, but this is a really good, like, I would say a high-end drink, right? In my mind, it'd be in a more fancier glass with maybe some cherries or lemon twist on it, right? Served like that, somewhere nice. This would be on the high end of the bar menu, I would think, because it is a really good drink, and it says class a little bit. I don't know. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.